At tonight's Kavli lecture, Chris Lintott and I were able to talk about the discoveries and mysteries and surprises of our universe.
You think you know these data sets, and then you go into the dome, you flick a switch, and suddenly you're inside it, and that's an awe-inspiring experience.
The talk begins, for example, with us flying through the Sloan Digital Sky Survey of 1 million galaxies, and you really feel, as the galaxies are moving around you, you really get a sense of the scale of our universe.
With these Kavli lectures and the support that the Foundation's given the planetarium, it's a different experience. We can custom create visuals that tell the story that we want to tell.
The Kavli lecture series is completely unique in the way that we're using the resources of the Adler Planetarium, both the visualization team's expertise in creating these amazing, beautiful visuals on our immersive planetarium theater dome, and then also the technology to dome-cast it or simulcast it to dozens of planetaria around the world.
So Zooniverse started as a way to get people to help researchers like me out. We needed people to sort through the vast data sets that we had that tell us about the universe and about our own planet. And one of the things that makes our sort of citizen science so powerful is the ability volunteers have to find the unusual in even the largest data sets.
As an example of one of the Zooniverse data sets that really helped us understand that crowdsourcing research was a viable possibility was the Galaxy Zoo dataset, which is a set of 1 million galaxies that the Sloan Digital Sky Survey collected back in 2007. The Galaxy Zoo project has since led to over 300 publications based on the data that the public provided by classifying each galaxy.
At the lecture we've just given this evening, we show a visualization of a planetary system called K2138, which was discovered by some of our citizen scientists. We showed several examples of phenomena that we didn't even think to look for that were discovered because somebody did this very natural human thing of saying, there's something weird in this image, what is it? And that's been the most amazing discovery, is that there is a crowd out there of nearly 2 million people who are happy giving their spare time to help us discover things in the universe.
We're so thankful to the Kavli Foundation for having provided us this opportunity to really test out the technology of how to connect the Adler Planetarium's dome to all these other planetariums, and then also connecting people through YouTube 360. This really can work in that using the Adler Planetarium's expertise and resources, we can serve as a hub and share out this information and knowledge and these experiences all around the world.